Once you have AVG Cloudcare installed, this is the interface you'll see. We can currently see everything is protected. Let's do a quick walkthrough of the interface. On the top right, the first thing we see is going to be reports. This will show us what AVG Cloudcare has done recently. If it did a scan, we'd see the scan report here, as well as any results, such as if it found something or if everything passed. Right now, we can see that the only reports available is that it ran updates at 8:16 a.m. So I'm going to go ahead and archive that report, and it takes it out of your report queue. We can go here to Options. Options is just a quick interface to scan the whole computer, scan a selected folder if you just want to scan a file. We can tell it to update AVG or update from a directory. We can view the virus fault or view the history of scans or firewall logs. Under Advanced Settings, we can go here and temporarily disable the antivirus. We can make customization settings to how it's currently scanning. You can also change the same thing for email, website behavior, or if you need to add exceptions. So if we want to tell it to not scan a driver or not scan a certain site, for instance, log me in, we can go here and adjust how it handles items it does detect as malicious. Right here is the computer's antivirus. We can make sure it's up and running. Once again, we can make changes to the antivirus on how it deals with those threats. Next, we have the web protection. We have the software protection. We have the email protection. So this is going to be used for third-party mail programs such as Outlook, Windows Live Essentials, Windows 10 Mail, Mailbird. All those will be using the email protection. We have the firewall here, which we can go in here and adjust whether we're having files being shared between computers. So if this is my server and I have files shared to my workstations, of course right here you'd want to enable file and print sharing. We can start a manual scan by clicking the Scan Now button. You could also go to the settings and adjust your predefined scheduled scans, which by default will be running at 10 p.m. If you wanted to start a whole computer scan, but you wanted to adjust the settings, we can go here and we can tell it to scan dynamically, which means that it's going to adjust the speed of the scan based off of the current workload of the computer. That way, if you're actively doing something on the computer, it's not going to use as many resources. Versus if we tell it we want it to do a fast scan, it's going to use more resources as it goes through and scans the computer. And if you're using it, you're going to be able to tell the speed difference. We can go here and force an update if we'd like to, but updates are ran automatically. And this has been a walkthrough of the AVG Cloudcare Program Interface. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please contact us at the link below.